Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Usumbut menteri rangba ka jela ba snyau balangdar ula pentep ba ka jingsuk kalawan phai shakshnong Lapangap ha khaput Assam bat Meghalaya. Hadin ka jingpen bet mador da ka sarkar. Udhar ubalongru chairman ka regional committee jung ka West Giant Hills ula lijngo ikathan ringkat ki he sarkar. Ula ong balabu ka jingeda 24/7 bat kathan ka syong suk minta. Ula kubur baka Lapangap kade ka jaka ba pher jingmun bat dangdon kam ka jingekran. Ki DC na Meghalaya bat Assam ki atreilang bat ka sarkar ka kloi banekran ban penbet nyo ya upon. Ula ong ru ba ka sarkar ka shimkhya ban penslori ki nong syong shnong khamtam ki nong rem ban beteng ye ka jing imba man ka sngi ha ka jing shngan.
You had a visit to this border area. If you can tell us that what did you find? How is the situation?
No, the situation also now is normal. Yesterday we just visit along with the DC and SP and the other officials from the DC administration. Just visit because also now everything is okay. There is no more tension in the area. So that's just also at the same time is my own personal visit. Just visit to meet and to create a confidence with the people of the area especially. And also I show them there's a full protection from the government for their safety.
How it originated, this Lapangap issue?
No, actually is that area is it falls under the Kanulip's here. It has falls under areas of difference. So we have to discuss to take a final call on that.
Ma, what are the concerns raised by the people during your
Concern
visit?
point number one, they request the government to put a force there 24 hours, and we did it. And point number two, that is a little bit not in order. So some of our people who are still having a party feeling that side they are still fear to go and for their activities. So we already instruct the DC bodies to have a meeting with the local people to solve this matter at the earliest possible. They should not be disturbed to attend their activities daily in that respective area.
Ma, is it true that Assam police are still camping in that
Yeah, they put a force there. Our force is still there and Assam is still there. So at least to avoid anything happening. Both sides, when the force from Meghalaya is there, Assam is also there. So at least maybe when things normal, things as of now, both sides force is there. From Meghalaya side and from Assam side also.
Ma, but that area is falls under
That
Lapangap.
is yet to discuss because actually that area before nobody goes do any activities there. So that is yet to discuss. You know the regional committee is there, so we have to discuss with both the parts. So until and unless the final border issue is solved, so it will remain unsettled only. So let's see.
This is part of the second.
Yeah, part of the second because that is falls under Kanulip's area. Yeah.
So-
it is yet to be discussed.
So this issues. When are you having the meeting? Because we can see that the border dispute issues are again and again cropping up.
Yeah, this one I thought I will be having a discussion with the other counterpart, with the respective chairman of the other regional committee from Assam side. So when they are ready, so from my side, no problem, we can meet anytime.
But is that are you proposing or have you communicated to this Assam counterpart regarding this?
Yeah, obviously. Even I told my DC is always intact with them. There should be nothing, should be unfortunate incidents. They are updated every now and then, and that's why as of now the situation there is normal, no tension anymore. Yes, there is some Paris level discussed, so at the state level. So first I will try to coordinate with the other chairman and company from that side, and we will take it up. We will try to make things normal as usual while we are waiting for the permanent solution with the border issue settlement.
What is your report? When are you going to submit?
No, that we have to meet first. The reports only shoot from this. That is the report only. So about the report of the regional committee, after we see, we will show to the state government from both the committee.
How many villages means how many areas of difference under your west?
Ratachara is already done,
Yes,
and this one Kandulips here and Block 1, 2.
to remit.
So Khandip share is one part and Block 1 is one part.
Okay, but we are seeing that disturbance for quite some time. It's happening in your area.
It's happening in this border. It's not only now. Right from the day one, from the last so many, it was there. So that is one of the reason government is taking this very serious issue to solve this border issue. That is the main cause. So at least we would like to solve this once for all. So seeing this long pending issue, which is for the last 50, 60 year issue, so it will take some time. But anyway, from the government side, we are really taking serious on this issue.
My another thing is that regarding today's NPP meeting, if you can tell us that
NPP, I was not there.
this morning NPP meeting.
No, I was not there. There's some part of the meeting, some presentation from the MLA and the CM. It's not there. It's some discussion.